Hi, I'm Alba Chopra, and I choose to disassociate the word "this" and my ability. In a world that defines us by our limitations, it's so easy to overlook the power that lies within us. Disabilities do not define our success, our potentials, our intelligence, or our beauty. Choosing to disassociate the word "this" from my ability means embracing the strength within me. It's a declaration of determination, a refusal to be confined by labels. And now I'm here to help others do the same. Together, we will break down barriers, ushering in a world of unity and inclusion. It's not about the "this", it's about the abilities that make us the incredible people we are. Join me on this journey, and together, let's show everyone that potential is limitless.